Viriato Fernandes.
Yes, in 1989, late Pradhan Mantri Shri Rajiv Gandhi brought the 89th amendment. It was passed in the Lok Sabha but not in the Rajya Sabha. The idea was to strengthen the Panchayat Raj institution. Subsequently, in 1992, the 73rd amendment was passed. The subjects that were there in the 11th schedule of the amendment were health, education, fisheries, drinking water, sanitation. But till today, the 73rd amendment has not been implemented in Goa. The Gram Sabhas are passing resolutions against the ill-conceived laws that are being brought in Goa, sir. Our rivers, our forests, our agricultural land is getting converted for chronic capitalists. Goa is getting converted into a coal hub. I request the government, sir, to implement the 73rd amendment at the earliest.
चिंता का विषय है